Clio versus PracticePanther, two top legal software platforms. One big question: which one really delivers for law firms in 2025? On the left, Clio, the all-in-one legal powerhouse trusted by over 150,000 professionals. And on the right, PracticePanther, simplicity and smart automation for smaller firms. Let's skip the buzzwords and get straight to what matters for your practice. Each category is scored point by point, and at the end you'll see clearly which platform comes out on top. The final result just might surprise you. Okay, quick overview here. The mind map of all the categories we're gonna compare. Pricing, ease of use, document management, billing and invoicing, integrations, client intake and portal, automation, scalability, and user ratings. Stick around because some of these, like automation and integrations, totally change the game. Let's kick it off with pricing, because honestly, if you're budgeting for software, those monthly fees are the first thing you look at. Clio, definitely more premium. You'll notice it starts at $49 per user per month for their basic plan, and those fancy features are, well, locked behind pricier tiers. On the plus side, there's a little discount for annual billing, sort of classic. Now, PracticePanther comes in way more affordable for solo and small firms. No setup fees, and they even throw live training in, which is actually pretty cool. But you do sacrifice some advanced features unless you bump up your plan. Overall, PracticePanther wins for pricing, especially if you're starting out or running lean. Ease of use, this is a big one because nobody wants to spend weeks learning their software. Clio's got a slick, modern interface and customizable workflows, so if you love tweaking things to fit your firm, it's pretty solid. But I'll be real, there's a bit of a learning curve once you dive into their advanced features. PracticePanther, it's like open the app and get started, super intuitive, clean, and a breeze to onboard. Although the interface could use a little visual glow-up, still, for most folks, PracticePanther's ease of use is a breath of fresh air. Yep, PracticePanther takes it for simplicity. Document management, now this gets juicy for anyone drowning in paperwork. Clio is leading the charge here. You get tons of integrations with cloud services and third-party apps, plus features like version control and a really powerful search. Downsides, some users have reported buggy integrations now and then. Compare that with PracticePanther. It has simple document automation out of the box, lets you use custom templates and track version history, but doesn't have anywhere near Clio's integration depth, and big cases can push it to its limits. So if you want deep features and flexibility, Clio is your best bet for document management. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Clio is trusted by more than 150,000 legal professionals worldwide? That's a serious fanbase. Let's talk billing and invoicing, which honestly is where a lot of firms lose hours. Clio, custom workflows galore and supports tons of different billing arrangements, but yeah, it can be a little complicated if you're just a single attorney or a tiny team. PracticePanther has flexible billing options, flat fees, hourly, retainers, the usual suspects, and their Panther payment system makes online payments super easy. But reviewing invoices can get clunky, and if you're expecting advanced invoicing, it's just not on Clio's level. So Clio wins for billing and invoicing, especially when you need those extra customizations. Integrations, this is huge if you're techie or just want your software to play nice with everything else. Clio offers a huge list of third-party integrations, including accounting, CRM, email, and even cool AI stuff like BriefPoint. Sometimes you hit an occasional bug, but the reach is there. PracticePanther will let you connect with cloud storage and online payment processors, but the list isn't nearly as long. So Clio wins again for integrations, honestly, if you want that deep connected workspace. Moving on to client intake and portal, always fun trying to keep client info organized, right? Clio brings customizable intake forms and a secure portal for communicating with clients, but all the best features only come unlocked in the higher plans. PracticePanther makes onboarding clients easy and the portal works well, but it's not as customizable as Clio. So this category is actually pretty close. Both solid options, but Clio just edges ahead in flexibility. Okay, automation. Clio, funny enough, relies on third-party tools for a lot of automations, think BriefPoint for document creation. But yeah, there's no native document automation. PracticePanther has built-in document and task automation, and honestly, if you want quick wins without fiddling with integrations, it's awesome. The only catch is you're limited to what's on the platform. So PracticePanther easily wins here if you want automation baked right in. Scalability: what happens if your firm goes viral and you suddenly have a bunch of new hires? Here, where Clio really flexes. It's built for mid-sized and larger firms, has serious reporting and analytics, and can handle growth without breaking a sweat. For solo attorneys, though, it can feel way too much. On the flip side, PracticePanther is just right for solo and smaller firms but starts to run out of fancy features as you get bigger. So yeah, Clio's the winner if you have growth in mind. Alright, last up, user ratings. You know how the crowd hype can really influence your decision. Clio clocks in at 93 out of 100 for user sentiment. People love its robust features and support but sometimes grumble about pricing and load times. PracticePanther scores 92 out of 100. Users rave about how easy it is and the smooth onboarding but wish the interface was a bit snazzier and want more advanced features. In terms of reputation, Clio does come out just ahead, so that's another point for them. Let's get visual with a radar chart. You'll see Clio reaching way out on features, integrations, scalability, and even user ratings, but PracticePanther really stands out on price, ease of use, and automation. So both have strong suits, depending on what you actually care about. So my final take: if you're all about advanced features, integrations, and planning to scale up, or you're already running a bigger firm, Clio's the way to go. But if you just want something you can pick up and run with, need automation right away, and you don't want to overthink pricing, PracticePanther is super solid for solos or small practices. Found this helpful? Bookmark this episode for your next tech upgrade and make sure you follow for more straight-shooting tech comparisons.